Hey there, it's Anne. Here I'm going to show you 5 words that you can use to improve your academic writing. This is really useful if you are writing for the TOEFL, for the IELTS, or in general you're just trying to improve your writing or your speaking to make it sound more advanced and higher level. So our first word is alter. Alter. This is a verb and it means to change something. For example, people enjoy using different filters to alter their appearance or to change their appearance. Almost everyone had to alter their plans because of the pandemic. People had to change their plans. Let's rewrite this sentence with the word change, and instead of change, we're going to use alter. And this will make our sentence sound more advanced, just like that. Traveling to other countries can change your beliefs and opinions. Traveling to other countries can alter your beliefs and opinions. Our next word is another verb. It's assemble. Assemble. When I use assemble with an object, it means to collect things or to gather people into one group or one place. For example, we have assembled all of the best players for this team. When I use assemble without an object, it means people meet together in one place. For example, the students assembled in front of the building to hear the principal's announcement. So they came together into one group. And a third meaning of assemble, when I use it with an object, means to connect or put together different parts of something, like a toy or a machine, or in this example, a piece of furniture. The chair arrived in a box and we had to assemble it. So let's improve this sentence. Let's replace this long phrase with assemble. When you are ready to pack for your trip, find your things and put them together on your bed. We can make this better. When you are ready to pack for your trip, assemble your things on your bed. Our next word is inevitable. Inevitable. Inevitable is an adjective and it means sure to happen, like unavoidable. If you live long enough and are a heavy smoker, it is inevitable that you will develop lung disease. Unfortunately, this is sure to happen. Or anger and disappointment are 2 inevitable emotions in life. So remember, inevitable is an adjective, so it's going to come before the noun emotions in this sentence. So now let's improve this sentence using inevitable. As tensions increased, it became clear to everyone that a war between the 2 countries was going to happen. Was going to happen is not a very academic phrase. If you're writing something for college, you would like to probably use something more academic instead of this phrase. How about inevitable? As tensions increased, it became clear to everyone that a war between the 2 countries was inevitable. Our next word is another adjective, and it is straightforward. Straightforward. It means easy to understand, not complicated, and if we're talking about a person or communication, it can also mean honest and open. And I think my example could be all of these things. I appreciated the doctor's straightforward explanation of the problem. In this example, I'm thinking about a machine, so it's more about easy to understand or not complicated. Old-fashioned Beetle cars were straightforward and easy for people to fix and maintain. So let's try this. We're going to rewrite this sentence. Unfortunately, the solution is not so clear and simple. Unfortunately, the solution is not so straightforward. And here is our last word. It's another adjective, subsequent. Subsequent. And it means happening after something else. The first chapter of the book was a little slow, but subsequent chapters were more exciting. So the chapters which came after the first chapter. You will probably not earn as much money with your first job as you will with subsequent positions, later positions. So here's our final rewrite. Do parents worry more about their first baby than they do with their second, third, or fourth child? What do you think? Do parents worry more about their first baby than they do with their subsequent children? Okay, now you have 5 new words that you can use today, and I hope you will. Try one of them, use it, and let me know how it works. Or leave me a sentence with one of these words in the comments, and I'll let you know if you're using it correctly. If you want to keep improving your writing, check out one of our videos on how to write great essays or great paragraphs. We also have a series about the writing process, which will take you through how to brainstorm, outline, and edit your work. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.